In reality, the Picts and the Scots probably merged largely because they were stronger together than divided, and they were facing many attacks from Viking raiders. The ancient kingdom of Pict land is often referred to as just that, a unified kingdom of the Picts. However, as the mysteries of the Picts continue to reveal themselves, it appears as though Pict land was actually comprised of 7 different but connected Pictish kingdoms who shared many linguistic and cultural characteristics. The Pictish kingdoms of ancient Scotland were Fib in modern Fife, Cat to the north in Caithness and Sutherland, Ca on the east coast around Aberdeenshire, Serson in the Angus region, Fiddoch around the Inverness region, and Fotley around the Perth and Kinross region. The 7th Pictish kingdom was Forteux, which is thought to have been situated around Moray in the northeast of ancient Scotland. Forteux, however, is often used interchangeably with Pict land, perhaps suggesting that it was one of the most powerful Pictish kingdoms. Exactly when these kingdoms arose and for how long they survived is largely unknown. The first reference to Forteux, however, came from a Roman writer in the 4th century AD, who referred to them as the Verturions. It is thought that Venturion came from the Brythonic root vertebra, indicating that fortress people is how they were referred to. In Old English, Anglo-Saxon sources refer to these Pictish people as the Verteras. In the Pictish Chronicle, which is a loose historical account of Pictish kings, the 7 Pictish kingdoms are said to have been founded by the 7 sons of the Crusnae. The Crusnae refers to a people of early medieval Ireland who occupied a territory centred around Ulster. This has led some to argue that the Picts of ancient Scotland and the Crusnae of ancient Ireland were connected in some way, although this is debated. We do know that the Crusnae was, and still is, an Irish name for the Picts. In a religious book written between 697 and 700 AD, called The Life of Columba, the author records how Columba baptized a man called Art Brannan, who was described as the chief commander of the warband of the region of Ca. There are still references to the Ca in Scotland today. The Benahee mountain range in Aberdeenshire, for instance, means the mountain of the people of Ca. In Irish sources, the 7 Pictish kingdoms were said to have been ruled by hereditary chiefs or kings. It has been documented that the Picts most likely traced the hereditary line of kingship through the female line. In the early 6th century, the 7 kingdoms of the Picts are said to have merged into 2 larger kingdoms, known as Southern and Northern Pict land. In the centuries to come, the Picts increasingly came under attacks from a seafaring people known to enjoy raiding. In a future series, I am going to focus on the Viking raids against the Picts and the other people and kingdoms of ancient Scotland.